Our homes are getting smarter and we have IT to thank for that. Let's have a look. All of us have days when we're out of the house for the entire day and we can only get back home in the evening. So what is the first thing we do when we get back? Well, chances are by this time it has become dark. So we would go inside and turn on the lights. If we're really tired, we might want to have a hot bath. And for that, we would head to the bathroom to switch on the geyser and then wait for the water to heat up. After having a bath, we might want to relax in front of the TV or listen to some music and then go ahead with anything else that we might need to do. But the one common thing in all of this is that these are all things that we need to physically turn on. So to turn on the lights or geyser, we have to turn on a switch. Or if we want to watch TV or listen to music, we have to pick up the remote and do it ourselves. Now imagine a case where the lights are already on by the time we get home. The water in the geyser is warm, so that we can immediately go for a bath, and by the time we are done, our speakers are already playing a list of our favorite songs. Sounds good, doesn't it? Well, this is a part of what we call home automation, or the process of creating a smart home. But this isn't all. These days, there are voice-operated automatic systems that help us in doing various things. These systems are referred to as smart assistants. For example, Apple has a system called Siri, while Amazon has Alexa. Another such smart assistant is Google Home, which is a system launched by Google, and these smart assistants make everyday things even easier. Let's say we're in the kitchen and we want to find a recipe. Now, instead of having to open up our phones and visiting a website to look up the recipe, we can simply call out to a voice assistant and say, "Tell me this recipe." And the automated system will search for the information and the voice assistant will read it to us. Makes life easy, doesn't it? Apart from the simple conveniences such as searching for information or playing music or watching something on TV, smart homes offer a number of other benefits too. For example, home security. With a smart and automated system, we can now use connected digital locking systems which we can operate from our phones, or even access security cameras to make sure that our home is safe even when we're far away. Nowadays, there are things called smart sensors that can be used for other things as well. Let's say you have plants at home and you're heading out of town for a few days. With a smart sensor that is connected to your phone, you can actually put in piped water sprinkler system which you can turn on and off from no matter where you are, and you can make sure that your plants are watered. Many times when we're headed out, we suddenly find ourselves worrying, did I turn off the gas? Well, with the smart home automated system, you can even have a sensor switch for that, so that you can simply check whether the gas is on or off and switch it off if you've left it on. So as you can see, there have been many advances in how technology can be included in our homes. These solutions can clearly make our lives easier and more convenient, and in the future, it can actually advance to such a level that everything in our homes can become even more automated, thus giving us a much more comfortable life.